Okay. So what for we are going to this particular Pandas library. So we have already seen about this in the previous session. So Pandas library, we use it for data analysis and then data manipulation. So with the help of this Panda library, we can able to perform data analysis manipulation for a large data set also. So it is not that we can use only a small data set and we can perform. Later, when you are dealing with a huge amount of data, big data like that, if you are going to deal with for machine learning or deep learning, neural network, it can be any advanced concept. So this Panda will be the base library to perform data cleaning, manipulating. So in the manipulating part, it will include how you will handle the missing data, how you can filter the data based on the condition. So those things will be included in the Pandas library. So from the Pandas library only, we will be start to import data set. It can be in various file format, but we will start importing the data and then we will try to perform some operation in the imported data. Then we will export the finalized data. So data structure of pandas. So in NumPy, we had only one data structure, which is array. So in that array, we can either create it as a single dimension array, or we can create it as a two-dimension array, or we can create it as a multi-dimension array also. Here in the pandas, we have two data structure. One is series and second one is data frame. So series are nothing but the one dimension array with labels. In NumPy, array does not have any label. Okay, values will be there and we will be performing some operation. But in Panda series, we will be having array with labels. So that is why we are calling it as a series. Then when it comes to the data frame, it is a two-dimensional array. Again, here also we can give name to our rows as well as the columns. Okay, one by one we will start seeing. So first we have to initialize our Panda library. By default, all these libraries will be available in the Anaconda itself. In case if it is not available, then we should know how to install it. So for that we have already seen, right? We have to give pip install and the library name. Here we are going to install the pandas. And if you are using the Google Colab, then you have to give exclamatory mark in front of the pip. Then we are going to import the pandas. To check the version, which version of panda I am using, just we have to give the library name dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. So here if you look means when I'm trying to install the pandas library, automatically it will check whether the NumPy library has been installed or not. Here we have mentioned the version also. This and all by inbuild it will check. You don't need to manually give anything. By inbuild it will check whether this NumPy version is greater than or equal to whatever the version it requires. If you are already having NumPy, but that version is not equal to this particular version, then automatically it will start updating your NumPy library as well. So it will check all the condition. If all conditions has been already been installed, then you will get the output like requirement already satisfied. Otherwise, whichever package is missing, that package alone it will install or update. Then the version will be displayed for this particular line, pandas dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. So this is how we will initialize the panda library.